Tio.
Madase papa na alepe wo hwe bibia metina na oye cafe bar noir as usual meze the biggest and long standing duo oba na nyomto owo krum hade ya artista we ye bien away nyom no ndan wo wagina chana so you know wetintim papa and they are not going anywhere, not anytime soon. Na masa mo hwe one songs so was am here krom hade ya back to back, hit after hit, make pa pressure. Now from there to Alugun to Guyana Mobwa, there's been no darling, back to back. Group here when you want to hade wamahen. Now one na when you want back san pay oye Keche. Yeah, it's no other people more Keche Andrew and Keche Joshua oh mention or hade na I had a cafe bar noir Dolo inside back at the police station in Chanhonoma yaji hena mango ye chende hena breakfast non so oba mama waka wona no bo the breakfast is very good to watch mo hebia won fa na
I so a joint into ya na tafa
okay na ye won sha ha mam
benkasa wala be wo for waka chiro
na o ma yezi nkomo fa ya start from new one
party of the year.
Oh my god na enyum na ya hate and most my TikTok nkofo afa enyom no asawu mpoka ho na ehuri na aze one kasa no wonyim how it's been for you over the years. You can't seek somewhere new maybe I return you are getting money make it scar na aze what kind of party of the year wa bro ho scar na another is too early.
Party of the year makada is too early. Okay. I think I mean just like a month old and then it's doing very well. No one he release another song for this year, but most men know what call they feel like Yenja not on relax. It's too early, but I think that on no party of the year no one I mean December I think say you be very busy because I mean events I mean bookings waba no yankopon na do yenwa so odoso into no I feel like anyum no we settle ogudu obrewura into no we are looking at December next year January or equally now until if you you relax na you drop another song yes no you relax na you no uncle until anyum no banana wa atina for ma
okay
no
not this year
watch that garo edin so dey go garo do no the normal meaning
okay no botu
your botu very soon
but I say now how many albums now?
Okay, Ian, the thing is we have the Pressure album is there. After Pressure album you realize the now urban albums are Charlie no on shutdown call them say the first year Pressure album came when the CDs were like on a period album by out CDs na do chrome na dey the man distribution na but we don't know no until more of singles. Okay. I drove a lot of singles. It's a man a new EP bar near the other albums here that's here.
Okay.
Yeah, so very soon we'll drop the other album and the EP.
Okay. I'm the part that I mentioned previous promotion how one on way what on one yom nazi. On chebi me gospel artist na me nyushun komo na or kasa for the fact that nka no nka wunye skapa but in the no streaming platforms no bi or cry nyum no one obi take cry 10 pesos. On shada anye sika bi oyedru. Wo hwe back then and you know what ye nesika wo nyanya and obutu that to turn down one obutu
yeah you between that to I think there with more can minimum be crook them but I think there or your numbers it's as you need to have your fan base a loyal fan base numbers you know one most people promoting alpha
okay
people are on your fan but most maybe promoting alpha they will go out and they will stream and as much as some will streaming on almost
okay
I'm not going to see no back then back in CC and Sikampu were abem.
Some first no.
Oh yeah.
Wow. That's a different reaction.
Yeah. You don't have to play show and say yes.
Okay.
Once your songs are being streamed, I'm a fan base now. I'm out for your family. You know what? People walk on streaming. No bros can be what's if you be I hope 3-4 months almost show every month be ano. When you sika. YouTube will see and call. Miss criminal color tunes now did the miskin the oribim. There are a lot of avenues for these kind of musicians in this time. Okay. So it's about how you promote. I think the people still look back at that time how one they relax, they think that they've already built themselves. No. Now it's a new era, new age. There are people, youngsters who are now winning on social media. So they're also building up people that they want to affiliate themselves with. Or that when they build a whole fan base, people think say, promotion and we see when you maybe able to make baby no, or maybe you are a star, you are out there. Promotion never ends. You keep promoting, you keep pushing it to the people, and you keep having new people to your fan base. No will stream on you I mean, by so doing this event is bad until now this is much bigger than even
I think now that everything is digital. Everything is digital. Say a artist say what digital strategy in your stronger. They be able to you complain about all these things. Now TikTok is even paying us.
Okay.
They stream your song on TikTok, you get paid. So, the digital world no one mad easy. One may say marketing to drop on you hand. Before maybe your legend Lumbo drop on you ma. But Snagana had there for long be a few Ghanaians are diaspora. See drop on you online. Last time I was there, na Asamoah managers, I mean him there or call islands no Barbados so baby. Na Sokode Jinmu.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah, Sokode was so huge. To me, I was I'm like, whoa, really? Tisiano, the digital world, Yamana is very easy for us, and now money is coming from every area. Since you'll be streaming anymore, or Amsterdam, or Jamaica, Krapwa, you get paid here. So I think it's good. It's good now. It's very, very good now.
Okay, but Sika, what is the promotion? And also, or the way.
Oh yeah,
you get it back.
Okay.
What's right on I mean, once you invest in it, it comes back to you.
Okay.
Because since you are just working, what about the era the digitalization? Everything is online.
Okay.
So the scholarship and that product is going to come because the number of people are reaching. As they are streaming the song, it's just bringing you down the same way. The friend there, so be streaming your friend even though 1 or 10 pesos scramble. Across the world, in a month, it be 2 million people.
Okay.
We're streaming. I mean, just imagine. I mean, it's kind of mobile be an obo wanting asking. When you do streaming, then anyone answer. They'll go back to play. I mean, when you made a drop years ago, they still go back and stream the songs.
Okay.
Them naughty. Yeah.
Into no, is the key ingredients. And you're good.
Yes.
So you're good on things that you
trust me. The day okay.
On your door, you're good. Or you're good. Yeah, good songs have ended up not going anywhere because of promotion.
Okay.
Into obey good, but still they to make promotion. It's
all about promotion.
Yeah.
On digital platforms.
Yes, it's very, very important.
Okay, matters.
And now there's a way you can even boost your songs on all the Boom Play, Spotify, Apple Music. I don't know what it to me to shoot to you mono.
Okay.
I'm going to see the song scrolling at it.
Okay, Mata say now, Yensen from Kakra. Now let's get to know you people. Meaning that was from Andrew. Now so no, I'm sure they feel busuye bim. And you mean more from Kakra. You know.
I mean, growing up, them. Nuclear family. I said we have uncles and all that, but not young King and Ben when and I'm growing up, a third born out of 5. We grew up together in Secondary, where we lived and everything. My father was, a seaman, a building contractor, so no abroad. Up and down, back and forth. Mom is all in age, more a businesswoman, up and down. I grew up from that home. Say, I'm quite a proper woman with the women.
Okay.
It's compulsory. You have to know. I ended up following my pension parents. I ended up following my mom
to church
to power practice.
Okay.
During the weekdays now.
Second chapel bang.
LB is Latter-day Saint.
Okay.
Yeah. Every and you be a mati the elbow once Master Marty. So that's how I grew up. I call Westridge because St. John's boys school was secondary. No, that was where everything started, and Samara moved down to Mpapa Tema because of music.
Okay.
You will be following. That's been the journey so far.
Okay, but the tertiary is after and tertiary, so you already went to tertiary.
No, after when I finished what do you call it? Westridge primary and JHS. I'm called St. John's secondary. That's computer hardware and software.
Okay. Okay.
So that time we
okay. Wow. It's the chairman. Let's say they say to follow. Kind of work pa.
You don't kind of up to now work
Echo second Libya Hana.
once in a while. I mean, once in a while, I be less active a little bit, but then that's what I preach.
Because I
worship with light impact. Light impact. I even sing at church.
Okay. Before maybe Sir Joshua about
Apostle, we see a
I saw for position kakrebia of here.
I mean, I got to a time no one pay them over there in one media and cabri. Now, most into what do 2 million mamas still a human and pedamia.
All your life, and you man and I pedamia.
And I'm one of the guys, I'm happy with what my first Adom choose them pedamia. I'm living it.
I see.
On yet today, be a pilot. Not only in the way who they be going to be a waka. So businessman be one chin. Not a walk away disappointed pilots. But I'm not it was something that was meant for me to do. No matter now. Monsieur Yinso. No. Born or somebody goes to away. Born one fat to away no sound. No, the fun you.
It's all disappointed football.
And to away man in the
Now, Joshua was a second D one.
Yeah, second D. It's a man, but no more is capable number 1. Okay. But it's a man, it's a nice moments now, like woman and chin with Saman. And no quite crop, and the Namina chapo person. I was born a Muslim.
Mustafa.
Yes.
Who's the man?
Yes.
Mustafa.
Yeah, Mustafa.
Mustafa Haji.
Yeah, Mustafa straight. And people don't know I was 100% Muslim before I converted to Christian.
Wow.
Yes.
I was the one fasting away into. No, Jay. Stomach ulcer.
Oh, man,
forcing more.
Every day, more man. It wasn't about the fasting. The thing is, Mbapa no so Siman. The tardy funum penifun Siman. Mbapa na be bought at Snapa in Madagascar.
Okay.
Yeah, no, they be on Madagascar, Spain. Inti no on time befi. It's in a mammy so why on my I mosque no until be a chapel. Like
okay, let's know mommy a Christian.
Mommy a Christian, never pay Muslim. Yeah, inti I'm a side and I chose the no Muslim or the Muslim or the no about on sound but chapel they go if you are in a room. It's in the moon easy. Moon easy.
Okay.
And that thing really helped me to also get to know some people who love music. And through Chapel, so many young crowd also. And the chapel was sort of what more gathering be sports now. The corona, yeah. On the mood, I tell football me
okay.
Yeah, so I started playing football. I was a very good footballer, like mad. Number ball, but one far.
Disappointed.
Disappointed footballer, striker and so disappointed striker. But I thank God where God has brought me so far. And I thank God that like we are huge.
Satisfied.
Oh yeah.
KecheBadwam.
Oh Dabi. Ebianka. Because no busro
to away no podo
to adwunu me so men kasa no kan so
okwanka ba esam go achi no ke bodo all 7 duty mo
men kasa no
ebi panko no won mo ko pay Kenya no
baby men kasa no but that's been
refugee
okay
but it has been good it has been very, very good. Like I chose this and the Mankasana, I think this thing Mankasana I was born to do because even because they start singing, I start rapping.
I see.
Yeah, so the vibe was there. Yeah, camp na that number Showboy, one of the strongest academy in where I mean Azakes, you know what Azakes?
I see.
Yeah, small boy like not be good like that. You camp on moto you so I know
you will be you imagine abroad.
Yeah, but fun
one friend American I'm not
okay, to know Jowulu inside and it's the cafe bar noir or as I rich and any breakfast butum na afro one on 05016066975 and 0209667116 Keche Joshua in Andrew and what's like being channel had man pay mini one baby disease cafe bar noir ahadi now we're very interesting.
I know.
Because the our piano, there's differences. How unique. Wow, when I be in our way, and you to Madame Perry, no, or you're perfect. It's when I be in one Perry, no. Usually, you find they say you music duo. When they could be a mono, you're cool, you'll be fine. It could be almost I reserve no Bunu Kakra. When I be one over when Yamaka. What's about the Baka?
Okay, no queer, Mamma no quencho. On your papa, your bushy, your bushy, Andrew no behind Jinindi. One yamin, Mamma can I true.
It's well,
I'm per Andrew Mbazi. All the short people walk my ben one.
Okay, we are making
it's not one to be behind or the farm. Because we damn the Makuma like Umaminia, Makmo from Uamakasa, Wabamichana, oh, when you are ter, meaning Panwa Bodam Kakra. Now I'm a cockroach. It's I'm a side in your problem, Obaka the on striker, and I must say, cool down. I'm doing this, say, cool down, couldn't to me if you echo what you bro. You get now, Kufumina, young concentrate. I'm calming down all the time. Yanny Papi could do that. I'm when I'm calming down. And the man called Yaman on your look, but I will be catch or use about buckets and because only you won't finish beef beer. Bed with 4 years, 5 years ago. Won't finish beef. Until now, Kumanya said, but they won't know now Kumanya, Amakumay, 9.
Okay, now I know me very friendly. But
I wanna no car or wanna prepare or I wanna
what to put more?
No, I can't you.
Oh, your friend,
I've always said that say in show be that it will form an opinion about the person, but it's sharing in person and you know vibe. But who
into American or today. In the debut, it is one of my days. I'm young, I'm any pebia. But which is most in my but and Benama
cashier.
In your back, I mean, most well of me now. I come and show and I come and show into I'm not some Benama in one. And I'm a very calm, nice person.
Nice for
in human.
Are you a nice?
But
are you a nice?
I'm a gentleman.
Are you a gentleman?
Yeah,
I think it.
Hey, right now, the pay master, okay. I don't consider group of the year.
What's on you're competitive enough, and I'm me. I think that it takes two to compete. Into the army in Joshua. She sees there is a competition.
Okay.
And you know that's the explanation. What from one we hit FM that time.
Was a
one rep no on me, and then me up to now because if you say there were still Keche was in there, Dope Nation is still working, Ahosepe is still working, and I think even new groups we were imagining a day of late. And he said that on you're competitive enough, and I don't think so. I mean it's tangible enough. So maybe they might come out with another reason out there. Up to now where you would if no one from there.
I think that after we won the best group of the year, since that time, you know, one fan can be on for 2 years.
Okay.
And because even last year, Dope Nation and RTBs did very well, and the Kwampa also was there. So minimum didn't one fan count because to be honest, Yamfa for nomination because the time now we are working on some international collaborations now. Now going to Nadi wanted to focus and come out with very powerful songs this year.
Okay.
Inti Amaya Yamfa. Inti next year, who knows?
But this year easy. You don't think I dream VJ.
Oh no. I think that this year Dope Nation Juma pa RTB Juma Kecha Juma a better revival kwa.
Okay.
Pampawin na why Juma. As Andrew can new crop of groups. I think the next year whatever come because this year groups are Juma.
They might consider based on their reasons.
Okay. Now, when I be in your were married men.
Yeah, married couples.
It did I'm not making will be out here. The man can know this.
I'm probably master. The man
make a can.
Yeah, on the man.
I'm in an hour when you know. No.
Why
man come out mouth for we breaking
no wifey or your shy on
the young one can get the picture about what will be the question.
Or you intentional that you wife from the.
Oh yeah, very, very intentional.
Okay.
Very intentional because I don't want to give
that intention. Those things no put that in about.
Oh, very casano.
No, bro.
No, I'm very intentional because I was scared of this.
Yes, no available.
No, available. Your consideration.
What's
I'm not a king.
Yeah, should I say you does obi or hunter when I for him.
I'm the best man.
I see.
I was damn the best man. If you suit today, you change you.
When I go funny if a
suit to watch that time. How many years? 18 years.
How many years?
I don't. When it comes to my marriage, I don't like talking about because I don't want to give my wife that social media pressure.
Uncle the Bunny does
I know your wife.
Yeah, I know. And it's how they're family.
No, how many years?
And you send a message.
You're a veteran.
Veterans to check them.
Then tell you young community bed in and check Okobo years and number of years in war. I don't go for once, and I don't know one but
okay, now what's your wife was mean or for MP? Constituency bank.
I mean, Fee Central.
Okay.
What's our good number?
100%.
You didn't mom or the winning primary.
Okay.
Oh, in a year, Echo Subas in a year. We say, in year, do you know? Yeah,
campaigning one media platform
on your year than politics. There's a no for Keche, but or in a year.
It doesn't matter. You see, and can normally
up for.
But this one, nobody can see the Mwebe because anybody in my shoe will support. Because in two men can be a warrior another who can work at my destiny. Government pay motivation to me. I mean, you have to do it at the end of the day because
it is your honor or your incoming honorable Keche Andrew, the singer of Keche's Q team.
But yeah, because I'm to do job there. One issue with Papi Kojono is it settled?
No, it's not settled. It's not our friend. Now, on your uncle, I am settled. Oh, now,
oh, my, then I'm a kind of Macassa.
Yes. It's not about going to the bush. It's if what Macassa. Get up with the bush. Because I should be doing a way demonstration. Oh, John, my family was a screen, John, also knowing it. That boy, I didn't say, boy, we. Or comedy, or they said that one day she let it near Connie for the money and shadow.
Papi, on your serious.
On your serious. How can you come? Since you're party of the year, I will say, or you was song on a while hitty. Bigger song.
Well, Obi, I know you.
Okay.
Obi, being some Sako, then even knows when you want to answer. No, Sako, I channel you. I went to market. I saw that man. It missed it. I dance teacher. He's a madman. Maybe I'm okay. I can't come here. So be now. I'm from Mr.
Kakran meets you.
Hey, who before?
I'm no, I'm going for one.
Oh, sure.
Where? I'm going for.
Try now. Try now. On a so short on now come you.
Okay.
Try a short or like 3.6.
It's about 3.0. But I catch a young president now come here. Yeah, short people.
What say you want to wear shorts? I don't want to come up with
young president on channel.
Yeah, president shorter.
And then you
some moon that member than to me na height. TV name TV switch can like camera they will only look gun. No, but camera can lie. I don't know how short is our
only one powder.
Keche Joshua
but our come boy. Now come you okay.
Ntacha was in yakuma cry.
No,
because I'm a free panel.
I'm a free pa.
The moko for one channel.
You on Nakuma.
I'm Mumfu. The man can so beer.
Nakuma market time.
So ukun.
What the market time. No was.
I'm good.
I only briefing.
Sorry.
I'm good. Yama so I'm going. I will tell. You share.
Menu. I'm a menu aji papa. They pay. Make you who have made my money.
Thank you so much.
What about the media? I support one and two business nana.
Oh yeah, Urban Keche there. Like anytime that we mention when it comes to the media, they be at the former one because the media no so Keche more like we won't be here. That's why I respect anyone I see that works in the media. I respect them so much because if you look at there, Ghana has not been supported. I'm like the one support or then a hit. You understand? So the media have been very very supportive, especially multimedia. Me and industry, baby, me and pa multimedia a lot because that's where our song was played first. Papa Bills, no first time war radio do. And first time you co-interview ebi aba radio do my customer convert work was Adom FM. So about the multimedia like Jerry Justice, Papa Bills, OPD. Yes, like Yankufu multimedia very, very strong power.
And the Dusty, everybody,
the media have been very, very supportive. To catch it, the media have been very supportive.
Okay.
I should be for supporting us.
When you're better, maybe say once.
Until you drop it, you for once in English will be an insane.
So yellow.
Yeah.
I be the part one work at a master. No, maybe said there once why you supportive to the media.
Papa.
Of course, Papa Obian to me.
Papa.
Yeah.
Because I've been in conversations. I'll go for the over for cry. We be so don't want to them cry. No,
the minion panel on Facebook.
What's this? On your sky. On your support. On
there's been times I
men kasa our family our back down or me preach urban media na one you close bia wonim nta me se there bisa ukun bisa and Dusty bisa we family ni bibia na ye kapo ye one what you go online there ya demand you aika I can maybe say,
I see.
My brother knows what Abram.
I got happy with you. I say, and town friend, Miss and put a note to them. So they be SN as own promotion. I'm not, you started beef, and then you started beef. No, into Marabanodo. Oh, but we try our best to reach out to whoever. Okay.
Anytime media house for frame we try to be available.
Me care there some time back. Sister Sandy be a guy. The best.
Oh my lord. Sister Sandy. Oh my.
What did you deliver? And Jama mention come on. Sister Sandy. From Sister Sandy. There, but baby can keep pa.
Oh.
A farm man our farm.
Oh, Sister Sandy.
Watch it.
Sister Sandy. What's then?
What up, boss?
Sister Sandy.
I'm listening. I'm there. I'm me ready me sabo. I think was Bobby 60,000. The program and what? You quaint you were what I was Joshua. What I'm saying, and as a bonnet.
Something boy, no, boy, influenced by alcohol.
What's the other one like a custom?
What's a book?
Look at your man, Crackle. I will move now, no girl, we are a bottle calaman. Don't talk about. You know, today, oh yeah. Influenced by loving.
Why today, me young could be, or name Africa crowd. Now, on Chazi, or Shannon so.
Okay.
No, on there, Monsieur who around there. No, you show.
I see.
Until one day, when the man moved the walk park in the car, baby. More corner, nice girls with your approaching about internet. You do an upper master, they must say. Do you know who you are sitting with? He's my brother, millionaire. He has money, so bro. No. The way last 2 weeks, you gave me 10,000 cedis. It has finished. Now I'm hyping over them. I told you.
What kind of
$1,000? $1,000. I'm not asking that. Bro, by us, the young corner car must have much on one. I walk out, make you be a back. Go me the let you go powder and show my mother Buaji. Intimate, me that's not one or queer bay. Open up on something open a $200. What about Comoso? Thank you so much, baby. I am Madame won't queer music. Oh, she one corner after bear 1 week. Home up on us in there. Second on the man or the mammy in there. The man come embarrass and mustn't tell was it in when you pay in your show.
So my influence.
When you pay in your show.
What a morning. That means there one masses through there. Come from one behind and me better be before next week you cry because we make me morning pan. I'm sure there'll be a solution in the
Joshua also a stand-up comedy.
Okay.
Joshua now on
by now moment I stand up no. Okay.
I'm a performer that on the night.
One two man.
No, what's about in KecheBadwam and not me Keche. Well, last words be open will come because me wrap up.
Okay.
I am bumping with dinner.
Bumpay me.
It's band one pencher in Sri Lanka within. My last words, no.
As a person there at my dinner young folk. Be easy all go. To this shadow man can say
but our new song party of the Adom freestyle party of
biggest house party of the year. Strictly by invitation.
It's an all-white party. Come join the celebration. We got banku and tilapia, potom watch a get a layer, pounded yam, bitter lip soup, akara for dessert, my Niger people. Don't just stand and watch you, Jimmy. Ladies and gentlemen, Jimmy, grab somebody. This party they make sense, oh. Don't just stand and watch it, Jimmy. Ladies and gentlemen, Jimmy, grab somebody. Party to the make sense. Yo, this song is fully packed. It's on YouTube everywhere. One download, one concourse stream, boom play everywhere. Video no so YouTube TCR official video featuring Mr. Drew. One stream man, Medasi will be Keche Party of the Year is a new sound. Medasi, let's go. Boyaka.
Okay, to know is basically how day is bano I said my pedal will be busy.
Why is it? Not
when you on Bumbe Brave, when you on Bumbe Zizer. Intimate when you on Bumbe Pebia or a cafe bano Jolu inside police station in Chahon Mabra. Now was so bepe was the no bumponyasm. Catch you you'll be very surprised. No bunyasm. Into no one brana one busy or Hade. Ahosepe no Midibesi Adom China, ye Basan Yeshia is no a appointed or president for the Brothers and Sisters Association. What about if you do producer Isaac or say a camera? I mean, should be